March 23rd, 12:24 in the morning, just getting home from Orlando Airport again. Last two times Jeep has failed to start, so I may as well log this one. So as you can see, trans temperature is showing at 159 in drive. I'm going to put it in park. And the temperature has not gone up, so it should have gone up to engine temperature. I actually figured I could show what engine temperature is supposed to be. It should be 206. Instead, it's still showing transmission temperature. So I know if I try to turn the Jeep off now, there's the key. Try to start it again. Get nothing. Jeep is not starting. No, it's impossible to see the key. Put it in drive again. And we know that in drive and reverse, it should be showing transmission temperature. And in neutral and park, the Jeep should be showing engine temperature. At least it reports engine temperature, which is what would show up on the display here. Rolling it back if it makes any difference. Roll it back a little bit more. Losing pressure on my brakes because they're not holding much anymore. Put the handbrake on just to let the Jeep roll back and settle a bit. Again, the parking neutral interlock is not engaging, as shown by the fact that the temperature is not changing from transmission temperature to engine temperature as it should in neutral and park. So, been almost 4 minutes, still haven't gotten it to register. Jeep still will not start. Yeah, turning the key just turns the power off to the radio. Does not start. As I said, this is the third time coming back from Orlando, and the third time this has happened. Typical of a typically starts cold, and then this hot start after a long period of driving 50 miles from Orlando International Airport. Trying to do a hot start immediately following the park neutral interlocks not engaging, or the TCM's not getting the correct signal. Either way, TCM's reporting that it thinks that the Jeep's still in drive or reverse, and will not allow a start. Will not send the signal to the PCM to allow a start. Pushing on the shift lever upwards, backwards, left, right does not seem to make a difference. Pulling it, oops, there's the hazards. Doesn't seem to make a difference. It is still not switched to coolant temp. It should be about 201 right now. I should be reading 201 now. It's now been 7 minutes. I'm about to give up for the night. By tomorrow morning it will have done whatever it does, resets, expands, contracts, whatever's happening to reset to make it fine again. But by tomorrow morning the Jeep will start, because it's the park neutral interlocks engaged, or the TCM is working again. Still no start. Turn the key. Time rolling a bit. No matter how hard or soft, gentle, forceful I am,
Alex's iPhone
is connected. Uconnect phone ready. Available options are call, dial, phone book.
Accidentally turn the radio on. It still works. Almost at the 10-minute mark. I'm ready to just give up and go home. It's 12:30. Ready to go to bed. shot, and then I'm off to bed. Alright, I give up. We'll see if it works in the morning. It's 12:35.